If you're seeing this video, it's probably because you saw the title. And yeah, it's basically it, AI is gonna take your job if you don't build a high income skill and leverage these type of skills. Basically, I'm in Shanghai right now, guys. As you can see, this beautiful view, yeah. And basically, I'm just 19 years old, I do trading, so basically trade gold as day trading, swing trading. And guys, it's simple. Like nowadays, especially now, 2026, the money is all online. And what's the best thing you can do? Just leverage your job. Like what I did for myself. 3 years ago, I was literally in Brazil. Then I went to the US to work in a construction job, 9-to-5 job, and I always knew this wasn't my path. So what I did, I basically, working in 2 jobs at a time to make the most money as possible, save the most money as possible, so I can build my own, high income skill, be my own boss, not follow any orders from anyone. And that should be your goal, because if you're just working your 9-to-5 job and think, oh, I'm safe here, I have my guaranteed salary every month, guys, AI is coming out. It's probably your job you're doing right now, in 5 years, you're gonna replace it by AI. So what you're gonna do right now, and what I did, to be in this position I'm in right now, just like save the most money as possible in your job and then build a high income skill, especially online, that can be your own boss, yeah. So don't depend to anyone to make money. So that's exactly what I did. In my case was trading. So just I'm in this business for more than like 4 years and a half, almost 5 years now, and that's literally the skill I built, that turned all this possible. Like I'm literally in Shanghai right now, traveling the world. You can see this beautiful place, and just because I built this high income skill, just myself, I just open the charts, open my computer and make money through it. And just if you turn this high income skill, literally make the same amount of money you make your own job, you don't need to aim to be a millionaire in the first week, in the first day. And that's why 98% of the trades just give up and blow their accounts, because they try to make 1 million from $100. And guys, it doesn't work in that way, yeah. You need to learn from your mistakes. Most people get it wrong. They started trading, think, oh, I'm gonna be a millionaire in the first week. You think you wanna do is learn the skill properly, solve your mistakes little by bit, and then achieve consistency. Guys, if you make at least the same amount of money you make your own job from trading, you're good, yeah. You can live anywhere in the world, traveling anywhere in the world. Just see how much money you're making your job per day, per month, and try to make the same amount of money consistency from trading, and then you scale. That's exactly what I did. Example, I was working a construction job and making like $220, $250, $300 a day, and I was thinking, oh, if I make at least not $300, but if I make at least $200, like $100 less, example, I'm good, yeah, I can quit my job. So that's the thing, like aim to make like not exactly the same amount, but a little bit, whatever, just consistency, yeah. So you can just have trading as your main source of income, and that's how you need to view things, yeah. Basically, that's how I did it. That's exactly what I'm doing here, and that's the tip, guys, I give for all you. AI is coming. If you still work a 9-to-5 job, think you are safe, guys, you're gonna be replaced. So just build a high income skill, especially online. Trading here, especially I have my own elite consults, literally teach people how they can do this. More than 200 students already here make trading as the main source of income. So guys, that's insane, because if you have the basic knowledge and apply very good, that's all you need to make at least your same money you're making a job. So that's all you need to just quit your 9-to-5 job, have this high income skill, you work for yourself, traveling the roads. That's exactly what I'm doing here, and not just myself, but helping a tons of people doing the same with the one elite consults. So yep, that's pretty crazy. As you can see here, we have this Shanghai Tower, the second tallest building in the world. And yeah, just guys, traveling the place, open my MacBook, make some money online, like this brand generates me more than millions of dollars, guys, just because I know how I can use it in the best way. You're just using these Apple products to scroll TikTok. Also can using this to make a bunch of money if you have the right knowledge. So it's all about it. So yeah, that's the end of your video, guys. Take a lot of lessons here. AI is coming out. You need to build a high income skill for yourself, so you don't be replaced. So trading here, that's the skill I built for myself, this high income skill, the possibility to me literally travel the world in new countries every time. So yeah, see you, ciao, subscribe to the channel, give it a like and check the description.